Today I'm going to discuss with you how to divide 4-digit number by a 2-digit number using the standard algorithm, which is sometimes called the digit by digit strategy or the big 7 strategy. And this is how it goes, or it looks like. I'll give you an example. Like, for example, 3,243 divided by 69. Okay. They call this strategy as standard algorithm or digit by digit method or the big 7 method. Why do we call it the big 7? Because we are going to draw a line here. That's why it looks like 7. Okay, and why do we call it digit by digit? Because you are going to start first with the first digit. Okay, now can you divide 3 by 69? Of course, no. So we're going to write an X on top of 3. Then go to the next digit for you to have 32. Can you divide 32 by 69? 69 is bigger than 32, so you cannot. So put an X on top of 2. Then go to the next digit. So you have now 324 divided by 69. Okay? Now, we can use estimation by having 32 divided by 6. But since you are 5th graders, because this video is for 5th graders, most of you are having a hard time on estimation. So my advice is you're going to take your divisor and add it to itself. As many as when you reach 324 or a little bit less than 324. So we are going to have 69 plus 69. Okay. So you're going to add 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry 1. And 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 6 is 13. So we have 138. Add 69 again. Nine plus 8 is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10. So 0. Carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. This is a 0. Okay? So we have now 207. So if you're going to compare, this is 207 and that is 324. So let's try to add 69 again. So we have 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 6 is 7. And bring down 2. In doing this method, you need to be patient. Plus 69 again. So we have 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. if you're going to compare this and this, we have 345 here, but our dividend here is only 324. Now, you cannot exceed this number. So therefore, we are not going to take this 69 here. Because if we are going to add 69 to 276, you will be having 345, which is more than 324. So we are going to take the 276. Now, how many times did we add 69 to itself to have 276? So you're going to start counting from the very top. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, you're going to write 4 on top of 4. Okay? And the next step is supposedly you're going to multiply, but you already have it here. Adding 69 to itself 4 times is just the same as 4 times 69 or 69 times 4, and the answer is 276. And you are going to subtract. Okay? 4 minus 6 cannot be, so you're going to regroup, and we usually say borrow. Borrow 1 from 2, 2 becomes 1, and put the one that you borrowed. Actually, it's, we don't say 10 or 100, we always say 1. Okay, just put it in front of this number. So we have 14 minus 6 is 8. And 1 minus 7 cannot be, so borrow 1 from 2, so turns, 3, I'm sorry, so 3 turns into a 2, and 1 here turns into 11. So 11 minus 7 is a 4. After subtracting, we bring down. Because the basic steps in division is divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down, and then repeat. So we have 483. Okay? Now over here, if you're going to look at our answers here, we have 138, we have 207, 276, and 345. We don't have 483 yet. So we have to continue adding 69. Okay? So we have 345 plus 69. So you have 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 483, and this is 414. So let's add 69 again. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. And bring down 4. Look at our result here. It is exactly the same as our dividend here. So we are going to count how many times we added 69 to itself. Of course, you're going to start counting from the very top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we added 69 7 times, and we got 483. Adding 69 to itself 7 times, or 7 times 69 is just the same, or they're just the same. So we have 483 here. And if we subtract, the answer is 0. So therefore, 3,243 divided by 69 is 47. And this is how you're going to do when you're using the standard algorithm. And the standard algorithm can be called as digit by digit, because you are going to take your number, your dividend digit by digit. And sometimes it is called as big 7, because if you're going to look at the picture here, it looks like a big 7. Okay, so this is my example number 1, and I'm going to have example number 2. Okay? And my example number 2 is 6,460. Divided by 85. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line here, a long line, vertically. Okay, digit by digit, I have to start from my first digit. Can I divide 6 by 85? No, because this is much bigger than this. So I will put an X on top of 6. I will go to my next digit. So I have now 64. Can I divide 64 by 85? No, because this is bigger. So I will put another X on top of 4. Then I will go to my next digit. So I have now 646. Now, how many groups of 85 are there in 646? Okay, so we are going to do the same thing. We are going to take 85 as our add-in. So we're going to add 85 to itself. Plus 85. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 8 is 17. Add 85 again. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry 1. Plus 85 again. So we have 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 8 is 14. Carry 1. We have 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 85 again. So 0 plus 5 is a 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 2 carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 85 again. You need patience in doing this. But if you know how to estimate, use estimation. Okay? So 5 plus 5 is a 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 8 is 11. Carry 1. So we have 1 plus 4 is 5. We're close to 646. So plus 85 again. So 0 plus 5 is a 5. 1 plus 8 is a 9. And then bring down 5. Plus 85 again. It's 85. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is a 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 8 is 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 is a 6. Now here, look at here. We have 680 and we have only 646 here. Can we take 680? No, because it is bigger than this. So we are going to take 595 here because it is the closest number to 646. We cannot have 680 because it is more. So we are going to take 595. You're not going to include 85 here. So you're going to count how many times you added 85 up to 595. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I added 85 7 times. I'm going to put 7 on top of 6. Okay? And if I'm going to multiply this, my answer is 595. So instead of multiplying, I just copy this. So 595. And I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 9 cannot be, so bottom one from 6, 6 turns into a 5. And this turns into 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. After subtracting, you bring down the next digit, and that is a 0. So finally, our dividend here is 510. Now look at the results here. Do we have 510? We have here 170. We have here 255, 340, 425, and 510. So we have 510. So we don't need to add 85 to itself again. Okay? Now count how many times we added 85 until I have 510. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I added 85 6 times and I got 510. It's just the same as 6 times 85, and the answer is 510. So 6,460 divided by 85 is 76. This is using the standard algorithm method, or digit by digit method, or the big 7 method. Okay? This is dividing a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number wherein the quotient has no remainder. The quotient that we got here is 47, and the other one is 76, and they're whole numbers. Can we also use this or apply this when dividing whole numbers with remainders? Yes, of course, we can. Okay, by this time, we divided just 4-digit by 2-digit number using the standard algorithm, or digit by digit method, or big 7 method, having a quotient which is a whole number. Okay, so I hope you understood my explanation step by step. My advice is just be patient in doing this method. Okay, thank you for listening and watching.